express this as a single fraction in its simplest form. Now, when we've got two put together fractions and we're adding them or taking them away, the denominators have to be the same. You have to get them the same. And, you know, when you've got fractional denominators, okay, we can treat them like numbers, okay, and I think I've explained this before. So, for instance, you know, if I've got to put this together, okay, then, you know, I need to get a common denominator here, and the common denominator would be 12, wouldn't it? Okay, we change both of these to 12, right? Reason being is because 3 goes into 12, 4 goes into 12. But one way of getting 12, one way of working out what this common denominator is by multiplying these together. So you can see 3 times 4 is 12. So you get a common denominator, okay? So you're changing 3 to 12 by the fact that these multiply to give 12. Now, we do the same here. We can multiply these to get a common denominator. So on the bottom, we'll get 3x plus 2, 2x plus 7, okay? And then the same here, on the bottom here, 3x plus 2, 2x plus 7, okay? So now we've got a common denominator. Now, let's take that first fraction. You've got to ask yourself, okay, what have I times the bottom by? Well, I've times it by 2x plus 7. So you've got to times the top by 2x plus 7 as well. Okay, that's important. All right, so because I've times the bottom by something, you've got to times the top by the same thing. And the same here, the bottom now is 2x plus 7. I've times it by 3x plus 2 overnight, so I've got to times the top by 3x plus 2. And what I can do then is, right, I can write it over 1, okay, over 1, one fraction, because the bottoms are the same. Then we keep it like that, and keep the bottom as it is. That's as simplified as you can get it, so leave that as it is. But the top, right, you put them together now, okay? And what I would do with the top, obviously, is expand them, because you have two separate brackets here. Let's see if we can simplify it to make it look a bit nicer. So, do the brackets here. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times 7 is 21x. Multiply these out. 2x times 3x is minus 6x there, or sorry, minus 6x squared, isn't it? Because 2x times 3x is 6x squared, and there's a minus there. And 2x times 2 is 4x, so minus 4x. Okay? All over there. These double brackets. Now these cancel. That's nice, isn't it? That's how it simplifies sometimes when you've got a double bracket. 6x squared, take away 6x squared. Vanishes. Doesn't always happen like that, but it does in this case. It goes. You've got 21x, take away 4x is 17x. So that's our answer, 17x all over then these double brackets. Okay, job done.